Another exceptional piece from DasCleveland.com. Come on, let's take a look at it. This is a 2010 Nissan Armada Platinum package. So it is the top of the line, and the body is exceptional. It's a 2-owner unit, 26 dealer service records. Truck has about every single option that came with it. Factory DVD, power folding third row, backup cam, trailer tow pack, sunroof, 20-inch chromes, privacy glass, navigation, Bose premium sound. Never been in an accident. Pennsylvania car from new. Lots of dealer service records. Sonar parking system. Rear climate. Power fold third row. Easy access second row. Car's like new inside. Power adjustable pedals. Power lift gate. Car's got about 130,000 miles on it. Got the big V8 motor in it. Nice, nice, nice. Guaranteed credit approval program is in full effect on this vehicle. These score very well for all types of credit, and you're looking somewhere around $1,595 starting down payment. Got the big full-size Armada, service and safety inspected. Therefore, we can actually apply a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline. That's compliments of DasCleveland.com. Folks, if you've been looking for one of these, I can assure you this is one of the nicer ones. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. Check out all the big SUVs we got. Guaranteed credit approval, perfect Carfax. This is the place, DasCleveland.com.